Well, hey everybody, as you can see, I am heading into Joann's. It has been a while since I've actually gone in here to do, seems like actually like a bigger pattern haul since my last one. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I got. Well, hello, everybody. Martika here with Martika J Makes, and welcome. If you are new, welcome to my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back and welcome back. So today I am sharing with you my pattern haul that I did this past weekend at Joann's. They had a simplicity sale, you guys. Now, the last time they had the simplicity sales, neither one of my Joann's that's pretty close by had the new patterns in the new fall patterns. So there was one Joann's that's a little ways away, and I was gonna drive over there to get it, but I said no, I'll just wait till the next sale. So I did. But here's the thing, before I start showing you what I got, let me tell you guys what I had to do in order to get these patterns, because I went into one Joann's and they had the new books out, and I went to, because I always make a list of the patterns I'm going to get so that I didn't have to thumb through the books. So when I saw the new books, I got really excited. But when I went into the drawer to get the patterns, they didn't have the new patterns in the drawer. So I asked the lady, I was like, okay, this is kind of strange. You guys got the new books out, but you don't have the new patterns. So do you know if you have the new patterns? Well, I don't know if she was new or what, but she didn't know. So I left, I went home, I called the other Joann's that's pretty close by, but I wasn't driving over there without knowing. So I called them. They said they did not have the patterns yet. It's a vendor issue. So if your Joann's don't have like the new patterns yet, that means that they just haven't gotten the shipment in yet. So they didn't have them. I called the one that was a ways away. They did have them, but I said, you know what? I'm just going to wait. I'm going to marinate on this for a little bit. So I thought that I would call back to the first store that I went to, because I thought that it was just totally strange that they had the new books, but not the new pattern. So I called, I said, I'm going to speak to a manager this time. Well, there was a guy who answered the phone. I don't know if he was the manager or not, but I told him the situation. And I said, is there any way somebody can check to see if you actually have the patterns maybe in the back or something? I don't know. You might have them back there. And so he put me on hold. He went and checked. Guess what, you guys? Lo and behold, they had the patterns. They were still in the box. Nobody had put them in the drawers yet. So he told me, you come on in here. Let me know when you get here. I will let you know where the box is so that you can go through it, get what you need, and then we'll make sure we get those in the drawers. So that is how I got my hands on these patterns, okay? So let's get started on what I picked up. So I'm pretty excited about these patterns, you guys, because I think they're perfect for fall. I really do. Now, when will I get to sewing some of these? Y'all know I don't make no promises, because there is no telling. I have so many patterns I haven't broken into, but I have them. However, the first one that I picked up, and I really like this dress, is Simplicity 9639. And you guys, this to me, this is really a cute dress. I love the one that the model is wearing. I also love this shorter version. You know, it's just a simpler version. Let me get that a little bit closer so you can see. It's just a simpler version of it. I like that too. And of course, I love these sleeves. And even that one is cute. All of these views are really, really cute to me. So this is something that is not only for the fall, but I can definitely see this happening all year round. And you have so many variations of this dress that I think that you could just go by the yardage of fabric that you have and just literally choose one. Now that last one, I was going to say it almost looked like a tunic top from looking in the screen, but no, it's actually a dress. Very, very cute. That is Simplicity 9639. And I got size 6 to 14. You guys, my measurements have changed drastically. I am about 27 pounds down. So I have been hitting it hard with diet and exercise. So I have to exchange a lot of patterns now when I get ready to sew them up. So I'm just glad about that. Now, the next one I picked up is Simplicity 9636. And you know who, Miss Mimi G. You guys, I really love this sweatshirt. And if you follow her on Instagram, about a week or two ago, she actually lengthened this. And she made a shirt dress out of it, okay? A sweatshirt dress, should I say, out of this. And it was adorable. So I said, that is a great idea. She put on her tennis shoes with it. It was really, really cute. So I like this. I love the big cutout on the side, you know, instead of it just being slits. I really like that. And I also like the fact that it does have a hood. So I picked up size 4 through 12. And this is based on the bust measurements, okay? If you're wondering, my bust measurements used to be like right under 42. So I would always get, you know, go by 42 or above. Now my bust measurement is like 38 and a half. Okay. So I'm not upset about that at all. But yeah, that is why I'm having to get the smaller sizes now. So the next one I thought was really, really cute is Simplicity 9633. And you guys, this is a one pack pattern. There are no size. It's size extra small through extra large. And I just thought that this was a really cute, you know, little jacket there. The purse I really thought was cute. And then look how different this jacket is in the back. And then look at the sleeves on this shirt. I love to crochet. Okay. Crocheting is one of those, if you never crocheted before, just try it. It's really, really fun. Really, pretty simple to pick up too. But I just thought that that would be something fun to do. Maybe if I'm snowed in, you know, this winter, or something like that. It'd be something different to do. Now, the next one I picked up, and I thought this was so cute, is Simplicity 9648. Now, I do have a McCall's pattern that looks something very similar to this, but I just thought that that skirt was just too stinking cute, okay? Very, very cute. And I believe it looks like a pocket on the side to me. No, maybe not. Maybe that's not a pocket. Maybe that's just the way it's laying. I don't know. I'll find out when I get ready to sew it. But this is an easy to sew pattern. And yeah, you have different variations. You have different lengths of this skirt. Okay, that is a pocket right there. I'm not going crazy. So you have different variations of this skirt. Very, very cute. You can go short. You can go like that one is actually the same one that she's wearing. So that is that length. And I could easily see where you could kind of shorten it and change the length to wherever you wanted it to be. If you wanted it to be more of like a knee length instead, you know, with the asymmetrical other side there. So yeah, very, very cute skirt. Simplicity 9648. This dress here, I just thought was just a cute A-line dress, just really an all-around dress that you could wear to several occasions. And it is Simplicity 9644. And I just thought that that was cute with like that little die cut or cutout, whatever you want to call it. You could do this dress shorter or you can do it longer. You can do it in different fabrics. I think that this calls for a knit. Yeah, it does call for stretch knits. So very cute. I have lots of knits, so I probably can see myself sewing this up as I go through my knit stash to just get things sewn up and have things to wear. Very cute. 9644. The next one is Simplicity 9649. This is a one pack pattern. It comes in size small to extra, extra large. And this is like a poncho jacket. And not only is it this longer jacket, but you have like this shorter one too that you can do like a shirt. I just thought that that was really cute. And you have just all these three different views is really, really cute. So you have your long, your medium, and your short to this. So yeah, very, very cute. And then I was kind of up in the air about this one, but I went on ahead and picked it up because I have so many patterns that it seems like look like this, but I just went on ahead and grabbed it anyway because I'm sure there's something different about it. And this is Simplicity 9646. And the closer I looked at this one, I really like view A. I think I have some fabric that looks something like that, maybe in a different color. I'm pretty sure I probably do. But this like eyelet fabric is pretty easy to find, you know, at the different fabric stores. You probably even have a tablecloth that you can make this out of. Seriously, you guys. So that to me is what makes this blouse really cute. And of course, you know, you have the different views there. In this one, I got size 8 to 16 by going by the bust measurements. The next one I got is Simplicity 9640. And this is, I thought that this dress was really fallish, really cute. I do like that version, but I'm short, so I like the shorter version of this. And that's probably what I would make, is the shorter version, and put me on some really cute boots with it. I just think that that's really cute. Then you have like the sleeve variations to this. So very, very cute. Now, the next one, we've already seen this, but let me tell you why I got a different size, you guys. This is Simplicity 9636, Mimi G again, because this is not only a sweatshirts pattern, this is a pants pattern too. So if you look on the back, if I keep it in my hands, you can see that you have, let me look around there, make sure I'm showing you. You can see that you have the pants outline also. And I just think that these pants are really cute with that split at the front, right there at the ankles. I love it. You know, get you some chunky tennis shoes like she have on, and really, really cute outfit that you can make. You can make that out of different knits, different patterns. I think that's really cute. Now, the next one that I got is Simplicity 9638. And this too is the same pattern, different sizes, and it is Mimi G. Okay, Mimi G again. The reason for the different sizes is because I am one size in the top and I'm one size in the bottom. So they, unfortunately, it like met at the borderline, and I was not playing around with the waistline of this skirt. I didn't feel like going through the grading out and all of that. I would just rather have the pattern that have the waistline that fit me, and I could maybe double it up and cut it out that way, you know, grade it together and cut the two pieces together and then attach them with a piece of tape or something. That way I don't have to do all of that guessing. So I thought that that was really cute. Now this one, I got two different sizes in this for the same reason. And it is Simplicity 9647. Reason being is because it does have the waist measurements on the back, but the waist measurement was a couple of sizes from the hip measurement when it came to my measurement. So you guys pay very close attention to that, because you might save yourself a whole lot of time by just paying an extra $1.99 when these are on sale and getting just the extra pattern a size up or a size down. And that way you can melt them together, gel them, draw them together, you know, kind of grade them together. And then that way you will have your own custom pattern piece without having to do the measurements part of it yourself. Now, the last one that I got is actually an old pattern, and I don't think that I have this. I said I don't think because I don't think I have it. I might, but we'll see. This is Simplicity 9451, and I got this in size 14 through 22 based on the bust measurements, and I just thought that this was really cute. Now, I really can see myself making this. I love the no sleeve version. I love the different sleeve variations of this. I love the gathers of this in the front. Just really simple top she has on with the skirt. You could also put this on with some jeans. Just do all type of things with a top like this. Dress it up, dress it down. You guys know how I am. I love versatile pieces. So yeah, that is my Simplicity pattern haul for this fall of 2022. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and definitely give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments, and let me know if you caught the Simplicity sale also. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great one, you guys. Bye-bye.